Hey, what's up you guys? It's Senpai here, back with another Anki tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom background for your Anki decks. Each deck can have a different background, unlike when you use the custom backgrounds and gear icons add-on. Using this method, you can also set the deck to have different backgrounds depending on whether night mode is on or off. Step number 1. Create a new deck. This will be the custom deck that I will be modifying today. If you have any unsynced reviews or cards, sync them before you proceed. This method may require a one-way backup. Step 2. Make a new node type. Click on Add. The card editor will show up. On the top left corner, there is a button to select the node type. Click on that. Click on Manage at the bottom of the window. Another list of node types will appear. Click on Add. A third list of node types will appear. Click on the node type that you want to choose for your new custom deck. Either choose Clone Basic for normal front and back cards, or choose Clone Close for close deletion type cards. Click OK. Now you have to name the card type. I'm gonna leave it as Close Copy. Close the last two windows and come back to the first list of node types. Now your new node type should appear on the list. Click on that and click Choose. Step 3. Prepare your background image. Download a suitable image for the background and rename the background so that it has an underscore in the beginning. Step 4. Copy the image to your collection media file. Go to this PC and search collection.media. Wait till it loads. If you can't find it this way, do it manually. I will include the typical file path of the collection media folder in the description. Paste your image into the folder. Step 5. Sync your Anki. A message may prompt you asking to do a one-way sync. If so, choose Upload to Anki Web. Close and restart Anki. Step 6. Click on Add. Make sure your new node type is selected. Click on Cards. A new window will appear. The right side shows the preview of how a typical card would look. The left side shows the code. There are 3 tabs on this: Front Template, Back Template, and Style. Click on Style. Locate the line that says background color white, and above that, copy and paste this code, which I will also include in the video description. Replace the image file name and insert the file name of your background image within the double quotes. The changes should appear immediately in the preview. Scroll down a bit more and you'll find a code saying night mode. In that you can insert the same code again, and you can choose a different image that fits night mode and apply the same steps again. Same can be done for .mobile class. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe to my channel, and other social media links are in the description.